Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I really want everything in my bathroom to coordinate. And when I saw this beautiful soap dispenser from Greatmay, I really wanted to have it. This dispenser is an automatic soap dispenser that really is so beautiful looking but super functional. For one thing, it automatically will flush itself and clean itself, so you don't have to worry about that soap clogging. It also has 4 modes for soap dispensing. So if you have kids that go through a ton of soap every time they wash their hands, you can control how much soap that you want them to get. It looks so beautiful. It's a nice petite size, but it holds 11 ounces of soap. So I can save a ton of cost from buying soap bottles and just get the refillable kind and put the soap in here. I really love that it saves me a ton of plastic because I can refill this 11-ounce dispenser over and over again and get the perfect amount of soap every time. Whether you place this in your kitchen for easy hand washing or you keep it in your bathroom, you will really see how beautiful this soap dispenser is. It's very durable feeling, it's easy to clean, and it really looks beautiful on the counter space every time I have to use it. And that's my point of view.